Hi, I am Aryan, a student at Jaipuria Institute of Management, Jaipur. And one of the most exciting aspects of my life at Jaipuria is the opportunity to be a part of various clubs and committees. These platforms have given a game changer thing in my life, which helped me in developing a wide range of skills and explore my true potential. At Jaipuria, leadership and participation aren't limited to the classroom. As a part of student council, I have had the chance to be involved in different committees, such as the Placement and Corporate Relations Committee and the Academic Program and Research Committee. Through these roles, I have gained hands-on experience in managing events and interacting with the industry leaders and driving initiatives that contribute to the progress of the institute. It's the active involvement that has really helped me to practice leadership on a daily basis. The clubs at Jaipuria, like Niche Marketing Club and Concerned HR Club, allow us to apply what we learn and push ourselves creatively and professionally. Each club and committee offers a unique opportunity to collaborate with peers, take ownership of projects, and learn from the real-world challenges. Whether it's organizing corporate events, driving social responsibility through the Social Responsibility Committee, or planning innovative workshops, I have grown tremendously through these experiences. What I love the most is the diversity of perspectives. Working with the students from different specializations and backgrounds has broadened my understanding and helped me to grow as a person. Every experience, be it managing events, interacting with the alumni, or engaging in competitions, has pushed me to refine my skills and explore new horizons. At Jaipuria, the limitless opportunities through these clubs and committees have truly helped me to discover my potential and prepare for the challenges ahead. I am limitless at Jaipuria.